In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an IP address in Cloudflare. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have the necessary skills to manage IP access more effectively for your website. Whether you're troubleshooting an IP blockage or simply adjusting your site's security settings, these steps will help you navigate Cloudflare's interface with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you're managing multiple domains, make sure to select the correct domain or zone that you wish to adjust. This is an important step because each domain can have different settings and security rules. Once you're logged in and have selected the right domain, you need to navigate to the Security tab. Under this tab, you'll find the Web Application Firewall, commonly referred to as UF. This firewall is a crucial component for protecting your site, as it helps defend against a variety of online threats. In the WAF section, look for IP access rules, which Cloudflare also refers to as the Tools section. This is where you'll manage specific IP rules, allowing you to block or allow traffic from particular IP addresses. Now, you'll need to find the specific rule that's blocking the IP address you're interested in unblocking. It's often listed with the mode set to Block. These rules can be numerous if you have robust security measures in place, so take your time to locate the exact entry. Once you've found the rule, you have two main options depending on how you wish to address the situation. You can either delete the rule entirely by clicking the trash icon, or you can modify it. If you'd prefer to allow the IP address while maintaining an entry for future reference, you might choose to change the action to Allow. This method is useful if you're temporarily lifting restrictions but plan to reinstate them later. After making your choice, click Save to apply the changes. It's important to note that once you remove the rule, the block is immediately lifted. This means the IP address will regain access to your site without delay. This instant change is great for resolving access issues quickly, especially if you're working to ensure seamless access for important users or services. It's always a good practice to double-check your site's traffic and security logs after making such changes, as it can help you verify that the adjustments were applied correctly and ascertain that no unintended consequences arose from lifting the IP block. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage IP access on your Cloudflare account proficiently. Remember, maintaining the right balance between security and accessibility is key to running a successful and safe online operation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.